Broken engine out. Now just petrol tank's actually in really good condition. Petrol tank's in really nice condition actually. There's no rust inside or anything. A couple of nicks here and there, but that's really good condition. Like normally the paint's all gone at the top and there's big rust marks on these. That's a really good nice tank. So it wouldn't take too much. Maybe just top up the paint a bit maybe. Clean up the rust. I might run original tank or put aftermarket, not sure yet. Rear lights, indicators, petrol, connections going down into the wiring loom. So I put my engine in this tub, so hopefully if there's any oil leaks it'll go. Now what this needs to be done, I think this bolt, one of these bolts, the exhaust studs, they'll need to be drilled out and then retapped. Oh, and also the sump bolt needs to be re-drilled and retapped. And then yeah, all the other bits are here. The wiring loom's here. I've plugged a lot of the wiring loom back in together once I disconnected it. So hopefully it doesn't get too, you know, me just stressing out when I go to reinstall the wiring loom. It's actually in really good condition. There's not too many like this bit actually, like everything held together quite well. Not bad for 20 plus years old. I'm gonna try and do the fumbliest job ever. Take the wheels off, which is basically going to be just a frame. This tail piece is giving me a bit of jip. This bolt might actually need drilling. Oh. So crusty. If there was going to be bolt that was going to round off, it would be this one. And I'm really shocked it started to turn. I've been struggling with this bolt for about, I don't know how long. Look at the mess I made on the floor. Look, all this rust just come up off the, this is all from the underneath of this, under here. There's going to be some holes. There's going to be some holes. Just a couple of turns, just so that it takes hold. I have to look for one of these new, I think. This is too far gone. There's holes in it. Give me my 10 back, please. Please. Please give me my 10 back. Okay, right to touch. Okay, it's one down. Another one to go. Give it another spray of WD. 40. Now, get this on there. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Well, oh dear. That's a lot of damage. I don't think that is a lot of damage there. Well, now I'm just making a mess in my shed, so. Alright, I'm going to try and clean all the black off there as well. Look at all that 20 years of dirt. Right, so carry on working on this thing. Yeah, just cleaning it all up. It's taking a very long time to do, but yeah, that's gonna be the. So it still has the mounting points. All the mounting brackets are there. So apart from just that one there, but it's got that one. It's got that one, and they all seem quite strong. So we'll see how we go. Because I might fabricate something or get something. I'm going to try and look, see if I can get something to go on. Where's the old one? I don't know what I've done with the old one. It's somewhere in one of these boxes. See, I cleaned these up the other day. So yeah, all the grime, the really black stuff's off of it. That's just, is that a bit of dirt still in there? Yeah, okay, so I've got to get back in there and get these off. But I got a lot of it off. Like, it's quite hard because that's the chain side. So yeah, I've got to get all that black off. The handlebar's done though. All the grime's off that. The swing arms can probably be one of the most dirtiest things to do because of the chain. So yeah, got to get all this black stuff off so I can repaint it. Same with this. A lot of the really horrible black stuff's gone, especially all down here. It's horrible. Now it's just this like a bit layer of dust, and I've got to get all this off the bottom there. So yeah, and all this muck in there. So yeah, it's quite a big job. This is the bit that's going to take the longest, I think, just cleaning it up and getting it ready. I want to start sanding it down. This is why I never have an expensive phone. This thing is just covered in rust dust. Yeah, this handlebar's not too bad. I'm gonna, I think, just repaint the handlebar, to be honest. He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out. Let's go white handlebars, gold wheels. See how this comes out. A couple of layers of prime. Take this one up now. Done all the spokes. Do the tyre and then put some primer on. Right, let's treat this rust with some more crust. So yeah, that's about where I'm up to now. I'll end this part here, I guess. But it is a lot easier to work on a 20-year-old C90 than a 50-year-old C90. I only had one bolt that I couldn't undo with the C90 so far. And it was a bolt that I'd put on, not the actual genuine Honda one. So yeah. It's gone a bit crazy. Anyway, that's it. Actually, one last thing before I go. If you've got Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram and you could see what I'm up to right now, right this second. By following me on Instagram, you can see maybe I'll post some off-roading clips or perhaps even bits on the bike. So if you want to see some sneak peeks, then yeah, follow me on Instagram. Links below, whatever. Thanks for watching. Ciao.